Hi middle one, our lesson today is talking about the polygons. The polygon is a closed shape formed by line segments and has no curves. Types of polygons. If the polygon has 3 sides, it's called triangle, 4 sides quadrilateral, 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides heptagon, 8 sides octagon, 9 sides nonagon, 10 sides decagon. Interior and exterior angles of the polygon. The interior angle formed by 2 consecutive sides of the polygon in the internal port, and the exterior angle of a polygon which supplements the interior angle as shown in this figure. Convex and concave polygons. Let's recognize now the difference between the convex and the concave polygons. The convex polygons, the normal type of polygons we have studied before, every interior angle less than 180 degrees. But the concave polygon, as shown in this figure, has at least one angle greater than 180, means at least one reflex angle. The sum of the interior angles of the polygon. To calculate the sum of the interior angles of any polygon, we need to know number of its sides. We have a rule according to the number of sides of this polygon. This rule says n minus 2 multiplied by 180. For example, here to calculate the sum of the interior angles of this hexagon, hexagon has 6 sides. 6 minus 2 equals 4. 4 times 180 equals 720 degrees. Then the sum of the interior angles of the hexagon equals 720 degrees. While the sum of the exterior angles of the polygon is a constant number, the sum of the measures of one set of exterior angles of a convex polygon is 360 degrees. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon, any convex polygon, is a constant which is 360 degrees. Let's remember the diagonal. The diagonal in the polygon is a line segment which joins 2 non-consecutive vertices in the polygon. And to calculate the number of diagonals of any polygon according to number of its sides, we have this rule: D equals n multiplied by n minus 3 divided by 2. The regular polygon which has equal sides and equal angles. And here in this figure some examples about the regular polygons. And according to the previous rules, we can easily calculate the measure of each of the exterior and the interior angle of the regular polygon. The measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 divided by n, and the number of sides of the polygon. And the measure of each of interior angle of a regular polygon is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by n. And the last rule in our lesson for today is how to calculate the number of sides of a regular polygon according to the measure of its interior angle. 360 divided by 180 minus x gives me the number of sides of any regular polygon according to the measuring of its interior angle. x is the measure of the interior angle of the regular polygon. Let's have some exercises. We said that we can calculate the number of diagonals of n sides a polygon from this rule: n times n minus 3 divided by 2. N is the number of sides. The number of diagonals of pentagon, substitute n by 5, and number of diagonals of heptagon, substitute n by 7. Then the heptagon has 14 diagonals, and the number of diagonals of hexagon, substitute n by 6 equals 9. That means the hexagon has 9 diagonals. We said that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of n sides polygon equals n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Here, the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the square 4 minus 2 times 180 means 2 times 180 equals 360 degrees. The sum of measures of interior angles of the triangle, substitute n by 3. 3 minus 2 times 180 equals 180 degrees. The sum of measures of interior angles of the hexagon, 6 minus 2 times 180 equals 720 degrees. The sum of the measures of the external angles of the heptagon equals 360. We said that the external angles of any convex polygon is a constant number, which is 360 degrees. If the measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon equals 108, then the number of its sides, the rule is 360 divided by 180 minus x. X is the measure of the interior angle. 360 divided by 180 minus 108 equals 5. The concave polygon should have a reflex angle. Thank you for listening, and we're gonna meet in another lesson.